Hi, do you find yourself at home with a lot of free time?
Sí.
Here at FluentU, we have the answer. If you've streamed a television show before, you can improve your Spanish at home.
¿En serio?
Today at FluentU, we are recommending 13 great streamable shows to improve your Spanish. We have chosen a wide variety of TV series. Let's start. The first group of shows that we will look at are all Netflix originals.
Tenido sueños raros, Cristóbal.
The first show we will look at is Siempre Bruja, or Always a Witch.
¿Qué son apps? Pero tú vienes del monte.
Fans of Buffy the Vampire Slayer and The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina will get easily hooked on this fantastical drama about an enslaved witch who time travels to modern-day Cartagena, Colombia.
Ahora estaba por mi propia cuenta cientos de años lejos de mi tiempo.
The show follows lead character Carmen as she tries to navigate the 21st century and also return to her own time.
Pero tienes que tener mucho cuidado. Lucian huele el poder de las brujas a distancia.
This series is especially great for those interested in traveling to Colombia, since it features characters with Colombian accents using a variety of Colombian Spanish's ample slang.
¿Tiene miedo? ¿Pero qué es lo peor que puede pasar?
Próximo. Next, let's take a look at one of the hottest shows for Spanish speakers on Netflix right now, Élite, or Elite.
Hola, me llamo Samuel.
¿Qué ha dicho el camarero?
This mystery story about 3 underprivileged teens at a wealthy boarding school gets real and fast.
¿Qué me puedes decir? ¿Por qué? Creemos que se trata del arma homicida.
The first episode introduces a bizarre and chilling twist, and you will have to watch the rest of the season to figure out the truth.
Samuel.
No sé qué te parece. Es que no tengo nada que confesar.
In addition to the mystery, Élite is also packed with juicy high school drama, a lot like a Spanish Riverdale.
Nunca vas a conseguir estar con ella, ¿me oyes?
If you are looking to practice the vosotros form, look no further. This show is set in Spain and centers around an ensemble cast, which means that vosotros, as well as Spanish slang and accents, shows up all the time.
¿Tienes alguna pregunta más?
By the way, if you're looking for more ways to learn a language with authentic materials, you'll love FluentU. FluentU takes authentic Spanish videos like commercials, music videos, and inspiring talks and turns them into learning experiences. With FluentU, you'll have access to endless videos and audio with interactive subtitles, plus great educational features like a built-in video dictionary, flashcards, and quizzes. FluentU will help you have more fun and learn faster. You can listen to native speakers pronounce words, phrases, and sentences and practice repeating them out loud. You won't have to wonder about how a word is used because you can tap on a word to look it up and see examples from other videos. In fact, with its video dictionary, you can look up almost any word that you want to know more about. You can even listen to audio clips of example sentences. Give FluentU a try on desktop or on your iOS or Android device. Click on the link in the description for a free trial of FluentU. Ahora hay que ver otras series. Now, let's look at some other TV shows. If you're interested in learning about food in Spanish, look no further than Las Crónicas del Taco, or the Taco Chronicles. Each episode of this artistic documentary breaks down the history and process of making a different type of taco.
¿Sabe a casa?
Usually, the episodes are set in different states in Mexico, making it an excellent tool for learning regional Mexican slang and accents.
Emblemáticos de nuestro país.
What better way to prepare for a trip to Mexico or a trip to a Mexican restaurant than to brush up on your taco vocabulary?
Esto es México. Un buen taco.
Esta es mi casa.
The next TV series we recommend is La Casa de los Flores, or House of Flowers.
Mi casa y la culpa es mi carta favorita.
This quirky comedy drama is a work of art with its beautiful shots, witty dialogue, and dark humor.
Pero voy a hacer todo lo posible porque te pongan la máxima. ¿La horca?
En México no existe la pena de muerte.
The show captures all the drama and big personalities of Mexican families and nods to the classic Latin American telenovela.
Carmelita.
No te conviene. Puedes asociar con el apellido de la
A
mujer.
highly entertaining show, this series tiene poco de todo. It has a bit of everything.
No es nada malo, es...
¿Es amor prohibido como dice Selena?
Sí, es eso, amor prohibido.
Sí.
By the way, if you want to remember these shows for later, click on the link in the description to get a free PDF of the recommendations in this video with descriptions and examples. The PDF even includes some TV series that I don't discuss in this video. Seguimos con La Reina del Sur, or The Queen of the South. La Reina del Sur is a TV series adapted from the best-selling novel of the same name by Arturo Pérez Reverte.
El secuestro de un hijo es lo más terrible que le puede pasar a una madre.
Mi mamá me enseñó.
The story follows Teresa Mendoza, a young Mexican woman, through her growth to become one of the most powerful drug lords in the world of international trafficking.
Pero eso sí, ahí sí ocupo que vuelvas a ser la reina del sur.
Given the content, the story is dark and intense. However, it is gripping and is a unique change to the typically male-dominated cartel genre. Our last Netflix pick takes us back in time to 1928 in Spain with Las Chicas del Cable, or Cable Girls.
En el mundo, con sus propios sueños, sus ilusiones.
Las Chicas del Cable is a story of a group of young women who work for a telecommunications company.
El director de la compañía quiere presentarse.
Viewers watch their friendship form and how their new adventure changes their lives.
Encontrarnos.
The show channels classic telenovela vibes with the backdrop of fashion and life in Europe in the 1920s.
No quiero ir a ningún sitio.
If you love period dramas, this one's for you. Now, these next few shows are available for streaming on Hulu. The award-winning telenovela El Senor de los Cielos, or The Lord of the Skies, follows the life of a Mexican drug lord, Aurelio Casillas, as he tries to transport his product across the U.S.-Mexico border. The series also shows the lives of his wife, children, and other family members. This show is rife with the sort of drama you would expect from a telenovela.
O plata, o plomo. Ustedes escogen.
Murders, fake deaths, characters posing as others, long-lost sons, and more. Choose this one if you're looking for a show so gripping that you'll be totally hooked. Or enganchado totalmente.
The Lord of the Skies.
Next, we recommend Bajo el mismo cielo, or Under the Same Sky. This intense drama tells the story of Carlos Martinez, an undocumented immigrant living in Los Angeles.
¿Me permite su ID?
The show includes a healthy balance of touching, family-related plot lines and crime drama, as the family increasingly struggles with gang-related violence. Consider watching Bajo el mismo cielo if you want a tearjerker that also provides great language practice.
Estás loca. Cuando mucho te doy 1000 y di que te fue bien.
Tú sabes que cuesta muchísimo más que eso.
Nadie puede saber con certeza cómo será la
Our last Hulu recommendation is a unique documentary called 2111, or 2111.
cuenta con rasgos menos humanos que mí. El robot Asim
This wacky documentary offers viewers a look into how life might look in Latin America in the year 2111.
en verdaderas experiencias sensoriales.
If you are a science nerd, you will love 2111. But even if you are not, the show offers many Spanish learning benefits. Because this is not a comedy or telenovela, there's only a little slang, and the characters all speak clearly and relatively slowly on the topics of robotics, health technology, and other scientific innovations that might change the way humans live.
En 100 años, las carteleras de espectáculos de nuestras ciudades.
We have included one recommendation on this list that you can stream on Amazon Prime.
¿Pero tú qué haces aquí, niña?
Pequeñas Coincidencias, or Little Coincidences. This Spanish-produced romantic comedy follows two main characters, Javier and Marta, and their journey to find love while figuring out their personal and professional lives.
Un margen de 3 meses y medio para encontrar a un hombre que merezca la pena, un hombre de verdad.
This show is so lighthearted, adorable, and easy to watch that it's a great fit for Spanish learners who find it hard to keep up with the more dramatic TV shows.
El de internet, pero tienes pelo.
The plot lines do not require as much attention as some of the telenovelas and dramas on this list, so you can get in your language practice without feeling drained.
Postre, gracias.
Yo sí quiero.
¿Quieres hijos?
No quiero postre.
Hijos también, ¿no?
And now for the best part. Video series that you can stream without any subscription.
Papá, tienes nuevo compañero de piso.
First, let's take a look at the classic Spanish sitcom La que se avecina, or The One That's Coming.
Presidente.
Ya.
¿Qué eres el nuevo presidente?
The show focuses on a group of neighbors in a suburban neighborhood in Madrid, and it uses a lighthearted tone and lovable characters to explore deeper issues like the Spanish economic crisis, property shortages, and interpersonal tensions. This is a great show to pick up if you want some long-term Spanish practice. The show's hefty 12 seasons will certainly keep you busy for a while. The intergenerational setting of La que se avecina also makes a great show for those looking to learn Spanish en familia, as a family.
Pepinar, donde los sueños se hacen realidad.
¿O no? Depende.
Bienvenidos a la competencia culinaria más prestigiosa del mundo.
If you love food television, and really, who doesn't, then head over to Telemundo's free streaming service to watch 2 full seasons of the cooking competition show MasterChef Latino.
Jueces dispuestos a encontrar a los mejores cocineros aficionados de la comunidad latina.
MasterChef Latino is the undisputed choice if you're looking to focus on food and restaurant vocabulary. The competition-based nature of the show also means it is heavy on command conjugations. And since the participants are from many different countries, it's a great way to compare various accents.
Se va a tocar mucho la parte humana de todos estos participantes porque van a vivir un sueño junto con ellos por convertirse en el MasterChef Latino 2019 y por ganarse su premio.
¡No me baja!
The last series we recommend is certainly in a category all its own.
¡Idiota!
Enchufe.tv, or TV.plug, is an Ecuadorian web series launched in 2011.
Por supuesto que sí, nunca he estado más segura de algo en mi vida.
The show offers a hilarious look into the daily experiences, customs, and quirks that are all part of living in Ecuador.
2 semanas de anticipación. Ahora sí podré pasar tiempo con mis panas.
This web series is a great choice, particularly for those who do not have much time to study Spanish. Their clips range from 30 seconds to a few minutes long, so you never have an excuse to put off your Spanish study time.
¡Ya casi llega!
Estás sudado como mojadito.
And there you have it, 13 series that are sure to cater to any taste in television. We hope you can find una serie nueva con la que se enganche, a new series that you can get hooked on. Remember to subscribe to FluentU and click the notification button so you never miss another great FluentU video. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.
Quítale el candado, alma de cántaro.